All right, everybody, welcome to another edition of Jacob's Journey. Um, this episode is going to be about an S10 rebuild of my father that passed away, most of you know, and he left me with his S10 to rebuild. I'm going to show some pictures of the before and after. It currently had a 4.3 engine in it, but it wouldn't turn over, so I had to put another engine in it. It's like a 2.3. They call it the Boss. I might be wrong on that. Um, 2.2, 2.3, but it's not the engine that I want in it. I just put the engine in it to get it started and running, but I want to put a 350 in it that I currently have got a block for it, and I'm building it from the ground up. And then I'm gonna put that in there. In the meantime, just to get it running, I got this old engine in it. So um, I'm gonna show you some pictures along the way and see how it's going, just to keep you guys informed on that project as well. All right, thank you, Jacob's Journey. I'm out.